Hey everyone, Robert here from Mr. Brace, and today we're gonna play this 1v1.lol. So this game is actually inspired by this YouTube channel named Dr. Kai. So I subscribe to him, subscribe to his channel too because he made awesome videos. I want to do it in 90s, but I can't. I keep on practicing in the practice mode. So yeah, it's just okay. It's good. Okay, so I think Dr. Kai always do Battle Royale or 1v1. So I think we're gonna do 1v1 first to practice some killings. So I already played Battle Royale, but I want to play this 1v1 thingy because it's the title of the game. Okay, I know I already. Guys, and I'm bad at building in this game because it looks like I'm so bad at building. Where is he at? Oh, there he is. Sorry about that, guys. I think you hear it. I'm an idiot. I'm suck. Okay, dear. Oh my god, I really hate this. Ouch. Man, where is he? I can't even see him. Oh, there he is! Oh, oh my god, they were so close! I was so. Oh no! I was kinda sad. I'm so close at falling. Yikes! Oh, he didn't attack me. Like, bro, why did he do that? He needs to attack me. I'm his enemy. There he is! There. Yikes! What? Why is that a shotgun? Wait, what? Why is that a shotgun? Okay. Yeah, he's a good player, by the way. And I'm not. Okay, let's just build here. Okay, let's go up. I play Fortnite, but it's not my account, so I just use this 1v1 game thingy because it might be my favorite game. Where is he at? This is so long. I think it's already like 1 minute and I still didn't see him. Wait, is that him? Bro, why did I build a lot? Oh no, okay. Like, bro, oh, there he is! Oh no! It's gonna drop down. Let's see if we can beat him. Let's see if we can beat a good player. Okay, while waiting, let's just record. Let's just reload. Okay. No, not that one. Shit! I'm sorry, guys, for the bad word. I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to. I'm sorry, guys. Okay. Shot. Okay, fine. I'm not gonna say a bad word. I'm just gonna say shot. Like shots. Did good, guys. Just comment down below. It's good. So I still didn't see him. I know I see him, but it's not here anymore. And this is like two. I'm sorry, guys, for that, but did he just leave? Yeah. So he's a good builder. And I think he doesn't attack because maybe he just played Fortnite and he just won this game. Sorry for farting. And let's play the 1v1 first because that guy I didn't even kill him, so it's not fair, right? Not fair. Okay. Oh no! 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 Ah! Dang it! Dang it! Oh! Yes, I'm still new at this. What? How did you build already? Like how? Let's just go to the side, front, and shotgun boom, boom. That's not cool. Let's just go here. Oh! Okay. What is he doing? Is he build? Oh! Well, let's just put these. Okay, now let's just put this. I really love building. Yeah, by their own. Okay, where is he? Might be there. Because it's a long building. That's high. Oh my god, he's there. He's there. Bro, I'm really bad at aim. Yeah, 1v1 sucks, 1v1 sucks, 1v1 sucks. Okay, let's just... the hell? I'm just waiting for players so long. I think one round we're gonna play the battle royale. Wait, there he is. Just building. Just kill him. Oh my god, I'm dead. Yeet. His name is Blanky Goat. That's an actually nice name. Okay, so where is he at now? Just close this. Let's not close that. Oh, there he is. There he is. Okay, I think I'm gonna... Yes! So that's the last round, and let's go to the battle royale time. So this is actually a good game. Yeah, it's a good game. I really want to live stream this. Oh, I thought it was... Okay, a lot of people time. A lot of people. I'm bad at building. I mean, I'm good at building. Oh, there he is! I just saw a player. Oh no. Where is he? Yeet! No, he's not there. Just build. Yeet! I didn't kill it. What is he doing? Yup. Let's kill him. I killed him. So there's 4 more people, or aka 3 more people left. Oh, there he is! Wait, let's just cover this up. Are you kidding me, guys? Are you kidding me? I didn't actually have to emulate. Okay, let's just go back. Let's just go back to Battle Royale. Go back. Oh my god. Let's just block this thing. Oh my god, that was so close. Oh, someone's there. Someone there. Dang it. No. Sorry guys, I'm really sorry. I didn't mean to. The phone just fell down. I was trying to say that nobody will ever kill me, but someone killed me then. That's sad, guys. That's sad. Okay, let's just go to the last round and we're gonna end this video. And no one cares about this. Oh my god, how did I fail? What the heck? So there's an upcoming video. It's kind of a good game, by the way. It's a different game, not Roblox, okay? It's like I'm doing. I don't know what to do, but I think it's like Minecraft. I think it's not Minecraft. I forgot. It's oh yeah, I know. It's PUBG rip-off games. I play PUBG, but I don't like to post it on YouTube because it's kind of boring. Like, bro. Okay. Oh no! Why did we reload? Kill him! This guy's a hacker. Like, what? Oh my God! He's hacking! What? This my connection is. Oh my God! Oh nice! Ah! I thought this was Fortnite. I thought this was Fortnite. Man, I really hate this. Get out! I don't care. Well, let's just go back. So it's just me and this Mateo dude. I think these are bots. Because nobody will ever name Mateo. Mateo, a computer. Stop it, please. Where are you? Oh, there he is. Oh my God, I can't believe that I found him. Kill. Yes. Okay. I really hate ads. I think you can hear this. Sorry guys. I need to skip it first. Alright, so thank you for Dr. Kai for inspiring this. No, I just want to say that because I really love his content. I watch his the first video I watched in his channel is he's eating spicy noodles if he died in cricket. So yes, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So yeah, see you in this next video. See you in the PUBG rip of game. I might do it now. So yeah.